Get down from there.
You stupid?
Oh, good left hand.
Here comes the double foot.
You know, I think you're right. First thing tomorrow morning, I'm going to punch Lenny in the back of the head.
You didn't see that coming?
You knocked him down. Why don't you try knocking me down?
This could be it right here. Oh my goodness.
Stop! He's already dead.
30 seconds.
Oh, he clipped him. He's hurt here.
He's unbelievable. That is it.
Standing. That's it. It's over.
Can
He's
you
out.
believe it?
Hit him hard with that hook.
That'll leave a mark.
Cartwheel.
That's it.
And that's going to do it.
Cartwheel.
Misses. Oh,
Cartwheel.
oh my goodness. That's it. He's out. He is out.
That man is...
Cartwheel.
Won't you die? Oh, he's stumbling. Body kick, look at that. Oh, big knee. He's in a lot of trouble.
That is it.
That's it.
Pete gets caught with that punch.
Oh, big right hand. Oh. I mean, incredible.
And that's gonna do it.
Incredible performance.
Ooh, blocks the
Oh,
shot.
nice knee. Wow.
That'll do it.
Unpredictable.
That's the power.
These shots.
Oh,
Big shot. Oh, good hard kick.
That's fucking illegal.
wow.
This could be it.
Well, he's able to get back up. Wow. He's out.
And move that.
Kick, but miss. Kicked him in the face.
Fight.
He lands a big right
With
hand.
that right hand.
Wow.
Standing. Oh, he's tagging him. He's trying to hang on.
You want to be a farmer? Here's a couple of acres.
And this fight, that one appeared.
Went for the head kick.
Fight.
Gotta figure out a way to conserve some energy here moving forward.
And move that.
Missed with the huge kick. Oh, he got caught.
30 seconds.
Fuck out of here, boy. Get that weak shit out of here.
He's out.
The head, he's stunned.
He's got him hurt here.
Oh, he caught him with a left shot.
Magic.
Big trouble.
This is it. Like more flush than he did right there, and I'm not even sure the opponent saw it coming. So he'll see the replay and probably can have a bigger effect. It certainly had a huge impact here tonight as he gets the win.
I'm a blackbelt.
All these shots.
High kick. He's got him hurt here. Snarl right hand. That is it.
Right here.
Took the bait.
Oh, big shot. Oh, he missed that kick. He's out.
Big right
He's
hand
out
lands.
cold. Here's a nice inside.